either 1 plus the area code and number for calls to the US or Canada, or the country code, area code, and number for calls worldwide. Step 13. At the bottom of the phone, there are a number of icons. The photo below explains what they do. While some of the buttons are obvious, we will explain how some of the others work in the next few optional steps. Step 14. The Call History button will display this dialog box, which will show you all the calls made on the phone since you last cleared the list. You can display all calls or sort them by account, and you can display all types of calls or sort them by type. Step 15. The Missed Calls button will display all of the calls you have missed and will present them on your phone display as buttons. Pushing the button for a missed call will have your phone call that number back. Click the round button on the bottom of the phone to return to the main phone display. Step 16. The Phone Book button will open the phone book display on your phone. Press the plus button to add a new entry. Step 17. You have separate phone books for each account installed on your phone. Select which account you would like to associate with the new entry. Click the Close button to close this dialog box and move to the next menu. Step 18. The phone book contact page will open, and you can enter the data about your contact and add a picture of your contact if you wish. The picture will display on your phone screen when you make your call. Click New to add a new phone number for this contact. Step 19. Enter the information for this new contact number. The name will display on your phone when you place your call, and the number is the number that will connect to the contact. To enter a network number, use the 10-digit number starting with 999. Do not dial a 1 first. To program a call to a traditional landline or mobile phone, by enter either 1 plus the area code and number for calls to the US or Canada, the country code, area code, and number for calls worldwide otherwise. Click the OK button once you are done to save these changes. Step 20. You can enter as many phone contacts for this entry as you would like. Click the OK button once you are done to save these changes. Step 21. Your new contact will display in your phone book as a button. Clicking on the button will dial the contact. You can view the full contact information by selecting the folder icon at the bottom of the display. In the detailed display, clicking on the email address will open your email program and address an email to the contact. Clicking on a specific contact phone number will initiate a call to the number. Step 22. Pressing the call recording button during a call will cause the call to be recorded for the duration of the call or until you press the button again, and the call will be saved to your computer's hard disk. Step 23. By pressing the call record button while the phone is on hook, you can change the settings for the recording. You can listen to any recording by selecting it and pressing the listen button. Click the OK button once you are done to save these changes. Step 24. The voicemail button will connect to the server to allow you to retrieve any voice messages you may have. The icon will be highlighted if you have messages waiting. The first time you press the button, the voicemail number dialog box will open. In this box, enter 98, which is the code used to access your voicemail from any network number. Step 25. The 3CX phone makes it easy to transfer calls. You can choose between blind transfer and attend transfer. Blind transfer. 1. While you are on a call, click on the transfer button and enter the number you want to transfer the call to. 2. Click on the dial button, the green button, to perform the transfer. Attended transfer. 1. While you are on a call, click on line 2, which will automatically put the call on hold. 2. Now dial the number you want to transfer the call to and announce call to the callee. 3. To transfer the call, click the transfer button, followed by the line 1 button, which will be flashing. The call will be transferred. Step 26. That is just about it. You can change the mode of any account by selecting the available status display indicated below. Each time you select it will show switch between available, indicating that you are ready to take calls, D&D, which is do not disturb, and will indicate that the phone is not available, and will either forward incoming calls or send the calls to the voicemail. Depending on the settings you have selected for your account, Auto Ans, which will automatically answer an incoming call as soon as it rings, and Auto VM, which will send all of your incoming calls directly to voicemail regardless of your default account settings. This account settings to all of the accounts on your phone, so it is necessary to set them separately. Enjoy your new phone service. We believe you'll find it will provide very high quality calls, great features, and that you will save a lot of money on every call you make. Thank you.